Air pollution. Air pollution causes effects and what we can do. As humans, we have advanced throughout the years. There have been an increase in the way we mistreat the environment. One specific cause for concern is air pollution. In 2020 alone, it was reported that 80 tons of air pollution were released into the atmosphere, and that is just within the US. Clearly, air pollution is a rising issue, one that causes great harm to the earth and its population. In order to analyze the way it negatively affects the earth, the causes behind it, and how humans can do their part. Firstly, there are a multitude of ways that air pollution damages the planet. Places where their air quality is especially bad, humans can even face are sore throat, coughing, dizziness, and headache. Long-term exposure to these conditions can even cause permanent lung damage, which may be fatal. Similarly, wildlife can be harmed by these same conditions. Even plants can be damaged by high levels of air pollution, as a lack of clean oxygen causes them to stop growing correctly. Another effect of air pollution, nitrogen oxide and sulfur are present. When these chemicals combine with water droplets, acid rain is cause harm to plants, buildings, and even human life due to the high chemical levels. And this picture right here that we are looking at is some of the effects of acid rain. With the concerning effects that air pollution has, it must be known what the most common causes are. The biggest source is definitely factories that emit fossil fuels, nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, and high levels of carbon monoxide are often used in large industries to manufacture products at an alarming rate. Electricity and motor vehicles also release fossil fuels. Part of the world that are high in population often have an abundance of cars and other vehicles, which makes their air quality concerningly dangerous. In addition, large wildfires can create harmful chemicals, terrible in many places. And this picture right here, as you can see, the environment. Big business can have the most impact in the amount of fossil fuels they released. However, there are quite a few ways that individuals can make a difference as well, since the use of the cars heavily contributes to the emission of pollutants. This can be an area of improvement. Taking public transportation, walking, biking, and carpooling are all ways that we can improve air quality. Another method is recycling. Reusing and recycling products causes less pollution and waste into the environment. Less wasteful products are manufactured, which impacts the way factories emit gases into the air. And finally, searching for products that are certified environmentally friendly is a day-to-day way we can make a difference.